Okay guys, so let's review the last part of this pretest, which is about the passive voice. So change these sentences into passive voice. Do not use the word in parentheses in the passive sentences. So here we have an example. We have they in parentheses grow bananas in Central America. So we can say bananas are grown in Central America when we are talking into the passive voice. In here I have the answer key for this exercise. So we have that number 2, we have people in parentheses eat sushi in Japan. So we have sushi is eaten in Japan. For number 3 we have William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. So we change it to Romeo. And Juliet was written by William Shakespeare. We have number 4, a fire destroyed the hospital. The hospital was destroyed by a fire. And we have number 5, someone in parentheses writes this story for a newspaper. This is in the present and this is in the past. So this story are written for a newspaper. So as you can see, we have 2 ways for passive sentences. We have sentences in the past and we have sentences in the present. This is exactly what we worked with in the book. This is unit, this is for unit 11. So we have passive voice with by. In here we are using simple past. So we use the past of the verb be plus the past participle. So we say, for example, Disney Brothers founded the company in 1923. The passive voice will be, it was founded by the Disney Brothers in 1923. Then we have, for example, Walt Disney opened Disneyland in 1955. So we change it to the passive voice, which is Disneyland was opened by Walt Disney in 1955. The ABC network broadcast the opening of the park. The passive voice will be the opening was broadcast by ABC. So as you can see, we are just changing the subject and the object of these sentences. So we are changing the focus of the sentences, and for sentences in the present, in the past, we are using the past of the verb to be plus the past participle of the verb. Then for the second part, we have the passive voice without by, which is for simple present. So for the simple present, we are using the simple present of the verb to be plus the past participle. So for example, if we have this in simple present, they use the euro in most of Europe, the passive voice will be the euro is used in most of Europe. As you can see in here. In here we have sentences in the past. Edison invented the telephone. The telephone was invented by Edison, which is the first part of the grammar that shows that we are using the simple past of the verb to be. Then we have, for example, people in parentheses eat sushi in Japan. So we are using the simple present. So we will be saying sushi is eaten in Japan. So I do know that you guys had some of this answer correct and the program marked it incorrect, but don't worry. Either way, I just wanted to make a short review on this topic before your exam. So guys, if you have any questions, remember to let me know so I can help you out on that. See you guys later.